If alpha equal to sine 36 degrees is a root of which of the following equation? So this question asked in 2022. Let's see how to solve it. Whenever they are giving alpha is a in terms of sine angle, we need to recall relation formula of sine and cos. So what we know cos 2a equal to 1 minus 2 sine square a. Here we are considering a as 36 degrees. So if a is 36 degrees, then 2a is 72 degrees. That equal to 1 minus 2 sine square 36 degrees. We know that cos 72 degrees the value is root 5 minus 1 by 4. So that is equal to 1 minus 2 sine 36 degrees is alpha. If you square here, sine square 36 degrees is alpha power 2, isn't it? So instead of sine square 36, we can directly write this as alpha power 2. If we do cross multiply here, then we are going to get 4 minus 8 alpha power 2, that is equal to root 5 minus 1. If you send this minus 1 to left hand side, it become plus 1. So plus 1, that is equal to root 5. Here 4 plus 1, which gives 5. So 5 minus 8 alpha power 2, that is equal to root 5. This we got. Here we have a root. So to get rid of this root, we need to do square on both sides. Let's do square on both sides. So the right hand side, this square and square root gets cancelled. So we left only 5 here. So the left hand side, what we have, 5 minus 8 alpha power 2 whole raised to power of 2. It is in the form of a minus b whole square. So this, after expanding, we are going to get 64 alpha power 4 plus 25 minus 80 alpha power 2, that is equal to 5. If you send this 5 to the left hand side, it is going to be minus 5, that is equal to 0. It is plus 25 minus 5, which gives plus 20, that is equal to 0. We have a 64, 80, 20. So if you divide by 4 on both sides, we are going to get 16 alpha power 4 minus 20 alpha power 2 plus 5, that is equal to 0. So it is nothing but option C is the correct one. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.